Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about average DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, this is average DAX function syntax, and next average is a function name and next column. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, I am already prepared some data. Okay, names and next day one and day two. So now I am click new column. Now I am typing average. Okay, see this here, once you read this, returns the average arithmetic mean of all the numbers in a column. Okay, press enter. Next I'm adding sales day one and close this parenthesis. See this here, my day one have 580 average value. Same way I need to check day two also, just to you can change in this place, add day two. Okay, see this here, day two have 420. Okay, this is average DAX function in Power BI desktop.